Now I will show classical standing position, because what we see just before, it's sitting position, how I explain, is just only one stage of preparation. Sitting position, how I told, is allowed us without any mistake learn how to aim and how to release shot. But classical position for shooting with a rifle, it's standing position. How to take position correctly from beginning. Shooter have to take position, and his shoulder must be in parallel firing line, firing direction. Very important to put feet on the floor in correct position, approximately on the shoulders wide size. Take rifle, put butt plate of the rifle in shoulder, and put to left hand. I'm without any special clothes, because like this I can show position of all body parts more clear. Again. Few kind of holding rifle by left hand. Somebody hold like this. Behind me stay experienced shooter. He hold rifle by this style. Somebody hold rifle by this style. And I would like to explain why. Why so much different? And somebody hold like that, like Olympic champion Abhinav Bindra. He hold like that. Why different? Because all people has different body construction. And depend of this construction, have to decide which position more comfortable, which kind of holding by left hand, possible to say even not holding, support rifle by left hand. For most shooters, comfortable to hold rifle in this style. But look at me. With this style of supporting, my rifle, my front sight, go very down. That's why I can hold this style. But after several minutes, another shooter will show how to hold rifle on this style. Next thing, shoulder must be turned little to target side, approximately 10-15 degrees. Some shooter has less than 10 degrees, but approximately 10-15 degrees. And relax my back. And my elbow find supporting of wide bone. Again, it is not holding, it's supporting. You can see that I cannot find anything in front side because I cannot see even in rear side. For that, need adjust chickpeas. I will show later. But now I would like to show something what the shooters faced from the beginning about legs. Look, if I will take rifle, I feel that for me comfortable to bend the leg, like in my knee. It's not correct. Of course, we can find some shooter who shot with bent leg, right leg, like Olympic champion Raymond Debovich. But it is very rare case. Almost shooters stay on straight legs, but somebody from beginning cannot find comfortable position for his leg, and he has some feeling that right leg longer than left. That's why he want to bend his right leg. Why this happened? I would like to clarify it because it is very popular confusion. Look at me. Now I stay straight and my legs has equal length. But look at that. I'm straight, but in next second my right leg will be longer. Look. I continue to stay straight, but you see my right leg. It looks like right leg longer than left. Again, my body straight and right leg longer. Now suddenly my left leg became longer and my body continues staying in straight position. And this confusion very, very often happened with beginners. That's why beginners try to move right leg far away or deform body position like that, or like that. It is wrong. It must be symmetrical, but I have to explain what is the reason of this confusion. Why I can do my right leg longer and after a few seconds my left leg became longer. It is no secret. Just because this bone flexible, not flexible, movable, I can move up right part or left part. Now left part has position higher than right part. And now opposite. Right part more high than left part. It is very, very, very important to focus attention of the shooter for this kind of confusion and provide control for his correct position of his body. Another kind of confusion. Shooter take rifle like this or like this, doesn't matter, and he finds that his rifle directed to the right target, and he turns his body in this style. I will show you what is the correct and what is the incorrect. If shooter twist his upper body by leg twisting, it is wrong position. Twisting must be on the waist level, like that. You see, my legs don't twist it like that, and I twist it on the waist. It's correct. Again, and twist on the legs, it's not correct. Instead of me, now our shooter will show how supposed to be. Tessa, please. Look, shooter has straight position of both legs without twisting, but shoulder turned to the rifle sight approximately 10 degrees only in upper body part. Now her head rested on the cheekpiece, and she can see and she can aim. The left arm should be vertical and should provide support for the rifle. At the same time, elbow should rest on the area of iliac crest of the natural bone. The head position should be vertical straight. The rear side should not touch the head or cap. The hand should hold the grip without hard pressing and without pulling and pushing to the left or to the right. The butt plate should have very good contact with the shoulder. For this purpose, possible to do angular adjustment. Any part of the rifle or hand should not touch left part of the chest. Very important to have correct finger position on the trigger, like on this picture. Now let's come back to the aiming and adjustment the sight position. But from beginning, actually, oftentimes happened that shooter cannot find front sight and rear sight. How to check? I close observation, and I request shooter, please move up your head and rest your head on cheekpiece with relaxation on your neck. Very important, neck must be relaxed and contact cheek of your head with cheekpiece must be very natural and provide comfortable resting position. And again, how to check? I close observation. I request again, move up your head, please. Put your head down, relax on cheekpiece. And now I open observation and I ask shooter, can you see front sight ring in middle place of the rear sight? Yes. She can see. But if shooter cannot find front sight ring in rear sight, how to adjust? First of all, have to clarify it. Where is shooter's eye? On right side, from the center or left, down, up, and by cheekpiece position, need to adjust by screw, by different, how I told, different rifle has different kind of adjustment. Move up, down, right, left. And only in this precise adjustment possible to provide comfortable position for head. Shooter time by time between shot, put rifle, please take rifle. Again, I check correct or not correct head position. I close observation, please. Relax, put your head, very comfortable. Neck relax. Can you find front sight in your rear sight? In middle or up, down, left, right? Middle, because it is, how I told, it is already adjusted. But very, very important, from beginning, adjust cheek piece configuration and the rear side position. Now we can see what is the style of holding. How I show that she hold on the open the palm and mostly on the big finger. Let's look to this shooter. His name Abdullah. And how I told early, different shooter has different kind of supporting by left hand. This shooter supported in this style. Not, please focus on this part. Because if he will hold by style like hold Hessa, for sure his front sight go below the target. Now in same style, I provide control. Move up your head, relax your neck, relax. Can you find front sight and rear sight center?
Yeah.
Why I close observation by two target? Because first of all, I would like to be sure that shooter has correct adjustment of rear sight level and cheek piece position. Only in this case, his eye could be opposite rear sight. But it is not all, because he can find front sight in middle of rear sight, but front sight could be out of target. To be sure that his adjustment correct, first I open first target and focus his attention just on position front sight in rear sight, and only after that I completely open observation, and he can judge his front sight position on the target or not. If not on the target, have to decide how to adjust. It is two kinds of adjustment. First, we can adjust this part of the stock adjustable. It's possible to increase and decrease. It is one part. Another part, it is butt plate, also adjustable. According to the rule, it's possible to move left, right, 15 millimeters from the center position, and down and up. In shooting standing position, always it's down. Okay, if front sight below the target, in this case, possible to increase distance here or move down butt plate. And forever you have to remember, front sight always follow to butt plate. If butt plate move down, front sight will move down. Butt plate up, front sight go up. Because all moving happened just around the supporting point. What is the difference between this rifle, it is Hesse's rifle, and his rifle? Here, not extension. rear sight adjusted in lowest position. And Abdullah has extension, approximately 1.5 centimeter. It is moved up. What is the reason? Reason because they has different length of the left hand and different length of the neck. Because if neck long, need to adjust rear side with moving up. Other way, shooter forced to bend his head. In this case, his observation not very comfortable because he must look and not in straight eye position. And Hessa has normal standard configuration. That's why she don't require to adjust rear side position. I mean alignment level, aiming level. And she has longer left hand. That's why she can easy aim in such style. Look, if I will try to aim, look where is my rifle. It's my rifle directed lower. I show this for demonstration of different body construction. And I have to say, because body construction, man and woman different. Woman has this bone more higher than men. That's why for woman, easily to get supporting on left hand in such style like Hessa. Again, come to Abdullah. And please, Hessa, take position, and we'll show our students what is the difference between your position and Abdullah. Please take position. Abdullah don't have a safety flag because right now he has shooting. Whenever shooter leave rifle on the firing line, immediately before he leave firing point, he have to use safety flag. Because as I told earlier, the safety regulation, it has priority number 1. Okay, now again I focus your attention how Hessa hold and how Abdullah hold. And there's no any error, no mistake. Everybody have to find what is correct for his body, for himself. Legs position, both shooter has very correct, straight, symmetrical. And Abdullah has little more distance between foot. But it is absolutely acceptable because also it is depend of shooter's construction. Thank you, my friends.